Hey there, are you ready to turn your Sweatcoin steps into serious earnings? This week I've got the best affiliate programs for Sweatcoin and I'm going to show you how to make the most out of them to maximize your earnings. Also, if you haven't signed up for Sweatcoin just yet, you can use my link down below to sign up. So first of all, what is Sweatcoin? To kick things off, let's break down what Sweatcoin is all about. Sweatcoin is a mobile app that tracks your steps and converts them into virtual currency Sweatcoins. You can then use these Sweatcoins to purchase a variety of products or services, or even donate to charity. This app encourages people to stay active, and the more you walk, the more you earn. But did you know that Sweatcoin also offers great affiliate programs that can help you earn even more? Why join Sweatcoin affiliate programs then? Well, now you might be wondering why you should consider affiliate programs specifically for Sweatcoin. Well, these programs allow you to earn extra rewards for every new user you bring to the platform. By promoting Sweatcoin and its affiliate partners, you can earn cash bonuses, extra Sweatcoins, or even exclusive rewards. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an influencer, or just someone who loves to share cool apps, these programs can be a fantastic way to boost your earnings while helping others stay fit. So, how to join Sweatcoin's affiliate program? To get started, joining the Sweatcoin affiliate program is straightforward. Just download the Sweatcoin app, create an account, and head to the affiliate section. Here, you'll find a unique referral link that you can share with friends, family, or on your social media. Once someone signs up using your link, you'll start earning rewards. It's easy and there are no additional fees or requirements. Just share and earn. Top affiliate programs you should know about. Sweatcoin partners with a wide range of brands and services, offering several affiliate programs designed to boost your earnings and provide more value for your referrals. The first option is the Sweatcoin referral program, which acts as the app's basic affiliate system. Here you earn Sweatcoins for every new user who signs up using your unique link, making it a simple yet effective way to increase your earnings, especially if you have a large network. For those with an established online presence, there's the Sweatcoin Influencer Program. This is ideal for social media influencers who can leverage their followers to promote the app, earning higher rewards and in some cases cash bonuses. Beyond these, Sweatcoin also engages in partnered brand promotions. The app frequently collaborates with health and wellness brands, allowing users to earn extra rewards when they promote these products. Lastly, there are special event promotions, which are perfect if you're looking to capitalize on limited time offers. These promotions usually occur around seasonal events or special occasions and often provide a temporary boost in earnings with higher rewards per referral. With a mix of continuous and event-based programs, Sweatcoin's affiliate offerings cater to various audiences, making it easier to earn rewards through your referrals. Next up, how to maximize your earnings with Sweatcoin affiliate programs. To maximize your earnings with Sweatcoin, there are a few powerful strategies you can employ to make the most of your affiliate links. Start by utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Like Facebook, Instagram, or X, where you can share your link and create engaging posts about your Sweatcoin journey. By showcasing your experiences and the benefits of Sweatcoin, you can encourage your followers to join. For those comfortable on camera, creating content on YouTube or TikTok is another fantastic way to reach a wider audience. Make videos explaining how Sweatcoin works, its benefits, and even some tips on maximizing its use. This can significantly boost your referrals, as people tend to respond well to visual content. Additionally, consider joining fitness and health forums. These spaces are filled with enthusiasts who are always on the lookout for new apps that support their goals. Sharing your Sweatcoin link in these communities is a targeted approach that can yield great results, as the audience is already aligned with the app's purpose. Finally, think about using Sweatcoin as a side hustle alongside other ventures, rather than promoting it as a standalone app. Integrate it into your blog, YouTube channel, or other platforms where you discuss money-making opportunities. By presenting Sweatcoin as a complementary tool to other side hustles, you'll attract more interest from people already seeking ways to earn extra income. Best practices for successful affiliate marketing. Achieving success in affiliate marketing, especially with Sweatcoin, Sweatcoin is all about strategic planning and thoughtful engagement. One key aspect to keep in mind is transparency. Always make it clear to your audience that you're sharing an affiliate link. This honesty fosters trust and makes people more comfortable with your link, as they'll feel you're being, well, more open with them. Additionally, it's essential to offer value-driven content that explains why Sweatcoin could be beneficial to them. Highlight its unique features and the advantages of signing up, which can make your promotions feel more genuine and informative. Another best practice is to engage with your audience consistently. This means responding to comments, answering questions, and fostering discussions. By creating a two-way dialogue, you'll build a community that feels valued and is more likely to not only use your link, but also share it with others. Lastly, if you're promoting Sweatcoin on a blog or website, don't overlook the importance of optimizing your promotions for SEO or search engine optimization. By using relevant keywords, structuring your content well, and following other SEO best practices, you'll improve your chances of attracting organic traffic to your content. With these tactics, you'll be better equipped to boost your affiliate marketing results, creating a more sustainable and impactful strategy. Let's take a look now at Sweatcoin's cash conversion feature. Sweatcoin has recently rolled out an exciting cash conversion feature, transforming how users can utilize their earnings. Previously, Sweatcoin users could only redeem their Sweatcoins for products, services, or charitable donations. But now you have the option to convert your Sweatcoins directly into cash, adding a whole new level of flexibility and value to the platform. This feature is particularly beneficial when paired with affiliate programs, as you can amplify your earnings by referring new users and then cash out your accumulated Sweatcoins. Each step you take and every referral you make contributes to your Sweatcoin balance, bringing you closer to tangible cash rewards. Whether you're looking to save up for something special or just enjoy the thrill of cashing in on your activity, this feature makes it easier than ever to turn your daily movements and referrals into real money. With this new capability, Sweatcoin is not only promoting a healthier lifestyle, but also providing a practical financial benefit, allowing you to transform your physical activity into actual earnings in your wallet. This shift underscores Sweatcoin's commitment to rewarding users and making their platform even more valuable for everyone involved. Next up, avoid common affiliate marketing pitfalls. While affiliate marketing can indeed be a profitable venture, it comes with its share of potential pitfalls, which are essential to avoid if you want to maximize your success. One common mistake is spamming links, which can be tempting if you're eager to increase your reach. However, posting your affiliate link too frequently or in irrelevant places not only annoys your audience, but can also lead to your content being flagged as spam. Instead, focus on sharing your link thoughtfully in contexts where it genuinely adds value. Another misstep is ignoring data and analytics. By not keeping track of where your referrals are coming from and which strategies yield the best results, you miss out on valuable insights that could enhance your approach. Data analysis helps you refine your efforts, targeting your most effective channels and optimizing your methods. It's equally important to avoid neglecting engagement with your audience. When people take the time to ask questions or leave comments, responding to them fosters trust and can significantly boost your referral rates. Remember, a little interaction goes a long way in building a loyal audience. Lastly, inconsistency is a common pitfall that can undermine your efforts. Affiliate marketing rewards regularity, so set a schedule, whether it's posting weekly or multiple times a day, and stick to it. Consistent updates keep your audience engaged and remind them of the value you're offering, helping you to build a stronger and more reliable following over time. So what's the future of Sweatcoin affiliate programs? The future of Sweatcoin affiliate programs is shaping up to be incredibly promising. With Sweatcoin continuously expanding its range of partnerships and offerings, the opportunities to earn through affiliate programs are only expected to grow. As the platform collaborates with an increasing number of brands, especially within the health and wellness sectors, users can look forward to a broader selection of rewards and potentially higher payouts. Additionally, Sweatcoin has a strong track record of rolling out exciting new features and seasonal promotions, which means there's always something fresh to explore. To make the most of these developments, it's essential to stay updated on Sweatcoin's latest programs, events, and features. Regularly checking the app for updates and following Sweatcoin's social media channels are great ways to ensure you're aware of the newest earning opportunities as they become available. These updates often include exclusive, limited time offers that provide higher rewards for a short period, which can significantly boost your earnings if you're prepared. With the continued growth and innovation of Sweatcoin's affiliate ecosystem, there's no doubt that users who stay engaged and proactive will find ample opportunities to turn their steps and referrals into real rewards, making the future of Sweatcoin even more lucrative than ever. So, should you join the Sweatcoin affiliate program? Is Sweatcoin's affiliate program right for you? If you're passionate about fitness, love sharing cool apps, and want to make extra money, then yes! Sweatcoin's affiliate programs offer a low-effort, high-reward way to earn, and they're especially great if you already love using the app. And there you have it. These are the best affiliate programs for Sweatcoin that can help you maximize your earnings. Start sharing, start earning, and make the most out of your steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips on how to earn money online. See you next time. Oh, and also, if you haven't signed up for Sweatcoin just yet, you can use my link down below to sign up. See ya!